Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that I have configured a MySQL database on my Ubuntu Linux machine. Okay, so on this machine I have already configured MySQL server, and you can remotely log into the MySQL server because I have also enabled remote login support to this MySQL database. Guys, if you don't know how to configure MySQL database and enable remote login, you can watch my video. I will give the link of that video on the I button. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to enumerate MySQL database with Metasploit. Means using Metasploit, how you can find the username and password of your MySQL database. If it is a vulnerable database, the vulnerability will be revealed. Okay, so first of all, let's check the IP address of this Ubuntu Linux machine on which database is running, that is 192.168.29.230. Okay, so this is the IP address. 230 is the IP address of this Ubuntu Linux machine. Now I am going to my Kali Linux machine, so let's go to this Kali Linux machine. Okay, now I am on this Kali Linux machine. This is my Kali Linux machine. Okay, I have edited the wallpaper and all these things. So you are right now on my Kali Linux machine. On this Linux machine, I need two files basically. Okay, so basically I am logging here with the normal user. Now right now I am logging with the root. Okay, now in the root, what I need two important files. First is user.txt. So I am going to create a file user.txt. So nano user.txt, where I will create some users. Okay, so I will create users like suppose root admin. You can create a user file for demonstration. Guests Satish. So the proper username, okay, the normal users name which are mostly possible, I give all that username here. Okay, so I am giving the name of the users here and this, and then I will press Ctrl X and press Y to save this file. Done. Okay, so you can see cat user.txt file. This is the user file. I have created a user file first. Okay, then I will find the password file. So where you find the password file, you have to go to cd user share zone. Okay, and here you will get the user file, and that is password.lst. So you can see that file. I'm going to copy that file password.lst to the root directory. Done. Go back to the root, clear the screen, ls, and you can see that password.lst file, cat password.lst file. So this is the lst file. Okay, you can see that file using this command also. So you can see the password and all these, so many passwords here inside this file. Okay, now we have both this file. Now what is the next step? Next step, first of all, before doing the tag, you have to find out that on whether on this IP MySQL database is running or not. 230. Okay, so I will run nmap here. Nmap 192.168.29.230. 230 is the actually IP address of the Ubuntu Linux machine. Okay, so I will just type this one and see what's running. So I found that this, and I found that this port MySQL is running. MySQL port 3306 is open. Okay, it's open and running on this machine. Okay, so I found that this port is open. If you want some specific port, you can mention the port -p 3306, and it will tell you about the specific port, that this port is open. Now if the port is open, I know. Now it's me who know the username on that database of my MySQL database is root and password is 123456. I know that. Okay, but how the hacker will know, or how you will know as a penetration tester engineer, how you will know what is the database? So you have to run first of all, you have to launch Metasploit framework. The command for running the Metasploit framework is msf console. So what I run msf console command, that is the Metasploit tool. The command for this is to run the Metasploit is msf console. Once I run Metasploit, it will see, you can see the msf version here. I am going to search MySQL here. Search MySQL. and I will get so many MySQL related queries. Okay, so you can use this according to your requirement. So I'm going to use this one, MySQL login. Okay, line number 18, you can see line number 18, I'm going to use that. So I will type use auxiliary scanner MySQL underscore login, because I want the login and password details. Okay, so I just type that. Then I have to use set. I have the file, I don't know the username suppose, so I will just tell that I have a user file. So set user file is equal to user.txt, means search the user from this file. Okay, I don't know the username. Then I will tell set pass underscore file, means password file. I don't know the password, so search the password from this file, password.lst. So I'm telling that Metasploit to search the username from user.txt and search the password from password.lst. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. User from user.txt and password from password.lst. Now if it's blank password, suppose the password is blank, then it's also take that one. Okay, so set blank underscore passwords true. Okay, so if the password is blank, still go for that, find that and try to log in. Now you have to type set rhost. Rhost means remote host. So remote host IP address. In that case, you have to type the IP address of the machine on which MySQL database is. So 230. So you are going to attack on this MySQL database which is on Ubuntu. So I'm going to type the IP address of the remote machine, Ubuntu machine 192.168.29.230. Okay. So here you have to type this one and then you have to run. Type run here. Okay. Once successfully cracked, you will see the successful option here. So let's check that one and see whether you have successfully found the passwords or not. Okay, so I will go ahead and try to find. Okay, I will go up, more up, more up. You can see, does it, we have found it or not? So scroll down, you can see here found remote MySQL version 8.0.39. Okay, so one thing is here found, that in remotely it's working. Okay, that is MySQL version is 8.0.39 is okay. Now another, you scroll down, you see this line here, you see success. Okay, you can see the success here and it's telling the username is root and the password is 123456. And in this way you can find out the vulnerability inside the database. Okay, so if the database has weak password and default username, that's why it's suggested always to keep a or run a strong password. Okay, so whenever you want to run. Now let me exit from here. How to exit? Simply type exit -y and done. In this way we have logged out from the MySQL database and we have successfully found out the what is the username and password of this database which is running on the remote machine, Ubuntu Linux machine 192.168.29.230. Okay. Now, if you want to run the MySQL enumerator, you can again go to the MSF console. You can again launch the MSF console. Once you run the MSF console, this time I am going to run the MySQL enumerator tool. Okay. How to run the MySQL enumerator tool? Here you have to type use auxiliary suppose admin. Okay, I want MySQL underscore enum. Okay, you have to type this one. Okay, MySQL underscore enum for enumerator. Then you can type set username. I know the username this time, that is root. Okay, and then click on run. So what's saying? Validate rhost. It means you have to give the remote host okay, about the remote host 230. Okay, and then run. Okay, so once you done this one, so it will give you the example of that database, information about that database, that what services and what's running on that one. Okay, So you can see you are getting some information about that one. Okay, vendor and all this protocol running and whatever authentication is on or not, whatever information there, you will get some information here. So enumeration means you are getting some information of that database. Okay, so that is the enumeration part only. You can simply type exit -y and done. In this way, I hope you have learned how to enumerate MySQL database with Metasploit. If you don't know how to configure MySQL on Ubuntu machine, I will give you the link of that video on the I button. Please go there, visit that. And if you like my videos, please share with your friends who is interested in same topics. Okay. And also don't forget to like it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.